Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make these 5 different types of eggs out of polymer clay and resin. So I have a cracked egg, a half hard-boiled egg, a regular egg, and then an egg that's kind of out of its eggshell, and then a fried egg as well. So for the egg yolk, I'm taking some yellow translucent clay and I'm rolling it into a flat circle. And I'm going to give it dot eyes and a line smile. And once complete, I'm going to bake according to instructions. So now to make the whites of the egg, I'm taking some resin and I'm placing it on a silicone backing so it doesn't stick. And I'm placing my yolk in the middle and letting that cure under the UV lamp. And once cured, I'm going to peel it off. And since it's silicone, it peels off super easily. And you have your unfried egg. Now for the fried egg, I'm taking some UV white resin, and this is from Sophie and Toffee, which I'll link in the description box below. And I'm going to place the yolk in the middle, just like I did with the clear egg. And once cured under the UV lamp, it should look like this. To make the eggshell, I'm taking a flattened piece of white clay and I'm wrapping it on the bottom of a toothbrush. And once wrapped around fully, I'm taking my blade and I'm cutting it into a zigzag shape so it looks like it's a cracked eggshell. Slowly take the eggshell off the toothbrush and bake according to instructions. Once the eggshell is baked, I'm taking some UV resin and I'm pouring it all over the inside of the shell just to get rid of the roughness. And I'm pouring a little bit extra so it looks like it's pouring out. And I'm going to cure that under the UV lamp. And I'm doing the same thing with the second eggshell as well. Once cured under the UV lamp, I'm taking the two pieces and I'm placing them next to each other. And I'm pouring resin on the two resin pieces that I've already cured so it connects the two eggshells together. And I'm placing the yolk right in the middle. And once the piece is cured, I'm adding another layer of resin so it looks like the yolk is submerged in the egg whites. And with the final cure, you should have a cracked egg piece that looks like this. So next we're going to make the half-boiled egg. So I'm taking a ball of white clay and I'm pinching it on one side to make a 3D teardrop shape. Then with my blade, I'm cutting it in half. Then using the dotting tool, I'm going to make a giant circular indent. Next, I'm filling the indent with some yellow clay and flattening it out. And once flattened, I'm adding it dot eyes and a line smile. And finally, for the regular egg, I'm taking a ball of white clay and I'm going to pinch it into that same 3D teardrop shape. And I'm giving it dot eyes and a line smile as well, and I'm letting it bake according to instructions. And here we have our 5 different types of egg varieties, and I do want to make more different types of eggs, but I really can't think of any other ones besides egg scramble and eggs benedict. Oh, maybe deviled eggs, I can do that too, but that'll be for another video if I do get to it. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 simple eggs. And let me know what you want to see next in my next video in the comment section below. Thank you!